Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna make ice cream flavored jewelry. I'm so excited, I love ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? Mine is strawberry. All right, let's look at everything we have. We have ice cream themed charms, a ton of rainbow beads. We have jump rings, string, more beads, paint, and a spoon charm. We have pink, orange, yellow, green, purple, and brown paint. I'm so excited. Let's get started. I think I'm going to do the popsicle charm. Since my favorite flavor of ice cream is strawberry, I'm gonna paint the popsicle pink. I painted one side pink. Now let's add some chocolate drizzle. Okay, I'm gonna let this side dry before I paint the other side. So let's get started on our necklace. Okay, now I'm gonna attach this chain to these strings with jump rings. let's add our ice cream charm. Creating with me today. I want to see what jewelry you guys make. And don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon.